Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee to stay awake. First, select a strong coffee blend for maximum caffeine impact. Always use fresh, cold water for the best flavor extraction. Grinding whole beans just before brewing ensures the freshest taste and aroma, which contributes to a more invigorating cup. This initial preparation is key to a powerful brew. Now let's brew. For a standard cup, measure 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. You can use a drip machine or a French press. Both work great. The ideal water temperature is crucial, aiming for between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. This careful brewing process unlocks the coffee's full potential. To maximize your alertness, consider adding a small amount of sugar or milk if you prefer. For the best energizing effect, try to drink your coffee within 30 minutes of brewing. It's also wise to avoid excessive sugar, as too much can lead to a quick energy spike followed by an undesirable crash. Enjoy your coffee mindfully for sustained focus. Here are a few quick tips to keep your coffee experience excellent. Always store your coffee beans in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve their freshness. Regularly cleaning your coffee maker is essential for maintaining the best taste. Remember to limit your daily caffeine intake to about 400 milligrams for most adults to stay healthy and alert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.